My name is Prajjwal Choudhury from the western part of India called Vadodara near Mumbai. Normally I'm a sculptor, but first time I'm working in this kind of project. My elephant name is Commandments of God. The inspiration is Hindu mythology. Ganesha, Makara, half elephant and half fish. Another story is the Vishwakarma, god of engineering and mechanism. Shiva and Parvati and Ganesha. There is a lots of stories, so I just taken which is very popular and important. 20 to 25 stories here. And each story there is a caption, so you can easily communicate with the images. The painting is actually coming from the Indian miniature painting. You usually use very bright color. If you saw Indian miniature paintings, there is so much detailing. It's a very great experience here. It's a nice studio. Every animal is like a human being. They also deserve a good life.